Copy and paste with absolute coordinates, dynamic input 3. When copying, if the dynamic mode is set to 1 or 3, it will assume that it is the relative coordinates that the points will be taken from. That is the last point or chosen reference point. To override this, you will need to use the hashtag in front of the paste coordinates. In the example, the base point will be located at the bottom left side of the object, which is positioned at coordinates 15, 15, 0. This corresponds to the X, Y, Z axis. The box will be offset diagonally at 35, 35, 0. The object will be pasted relative to the 0, 0, 0 Cartesian coordinates. This is the absolute coordinates. In order to set these coordinates, a hashtag will be used in front of the pasted coordinates to let AutoCAD know the object will be offset at 35, 35, 0. I can check to see if the dynamic input is set to 3 by typing DYNM, and this will give you the value that it is set to. Change it to 3 if it's not set to 3. Select the object, press C and press O, and this brings up copy from the command line menu. Enter. Press 15, press comma, 15, press comma, and then 0. Press enter. Press Shift and 3 together to bring up the hashtag. This hashtag is needed for dynamic input set at 3 to ensure that the values are put in at absolute coordinates. Enter 35, 35, 0. Press enter. The base point of the copied box is located at 35 and 35 units from the 0, 0 coordinates. Press Escape to exit the command and spacebar if you want to repeat the command. Please subscribe if you find my videos of value, and if you would like to support me, you can by donating on Buy Me a Coffee, link in the description below. I appreciate your views and support. Thank you.